Welcome back to Triple V, Vintage Vagabond Vends. Today I'm here with Mama Sue.
Hi, everybody.
So she is going to be showing you what sold this week.
Since they're sales, you should ring that bell. Saturday and Sunday, June 5th and 6th, we sold the following items. On Poshmark, we sold this sterling silver turtle poison ring for $20. On eBay, we sold this Murano glass dove bird. This sold for $37. Sterling silver celestial poison ring. This sold for $24.99. Small ceramic squirrel. This sold for $8.50. Bobblehead turtle. He sold for $6.99. A lot of 3 activity books. Dr. Seuss sticker book. Another Dr. Seuss sticker book. And Crayola rusty rivets with markers. The set of 3 sold for $5.97. We sold this 2 snowy owls figurine. This sold for $22.99. Capodimonte flowers in a basket. This sold for $9. Disney Lilo and Stitch. Stitch holding a rag doll. This sold for $21.95. And a white wolf figurine. It's Wolf Spirit line. And he has wings. This sold for $25.99. Then on Mercari, we sold this candle. It's a large jar candle. This sold for $36. And we sold a faux drum, native couple with horse. It is a dream catcher. This sold for $18. Total for Saturday and Sunday was $237.38. Monday, June 8th, we sold the following items. A white snowy owl figurine. He sold for $11.95. Black bear folding pocket knife. Comes in the wood case. This sold for $9.99. Dock and Bay Cabana Beach Towel sold for $30. Got a barking dog. Frog on a mushroom with the ladybug on the grass. This sold for $6.50. A wolf flag with a flag pocket knife. Comes in a box. That sold for $10.95. And Jim Shore Santa Claus with Rudolph and Clarice. This sold for $37. Those were all the eBay sales. On Poshmark, we sold this Fairy Garden Frog Pond. This sold for $13. And 2 Valley Forge bunting flags with stars and stripes. They're 3 foot by 5 foot. The 2 sold for $20. Those were the Poshmark sales. At Mercari, we sold a Lilo and, I forgot her name. Angel. Stitch and Angel salt and pepper shaker set. The set sold for $30. Total payments for Monday was $169.39. Tuesday, June 9th, we sold the following items on eBay. Murano glass gold aventurine seashell. This sold for $37. And a Precious Moments Inspirational Angel, Blessings to You, sold for $25. This leather pentacle keychain sold for $6.99. A bobblehead cow sold for $6.99. 2 Rolex spoons. These sold for $24.99. 2 turtle poison rings. They're sterling silver. One sold for $21 and one sold for $20. Precious Moments, Blessings to You figurine sold for $34.99. And this glazed ceramic egg with a flower sold for $9. That was everything on eBay. On Mercari, we sold this leather for fleur-de-lis journal. This sold for $27. And the larger Egyptian blue hippo sold for $31. Total for Tuesday was $243.96. Wednesday, June 9th, we sold the following items. On Poshmark, we sold Smart Max magnetic discovery balls, set of 6 for $10. On Mercari, we sold this Rockin' the 80s, I Love the 80s costume shirt for $11. On eBay, we sold this set of 6, the New Yorker coaster set. It is cartoon coasters from out of the newspaper. This sold for $14.99. We sold this cowboy toothpick pocket knife. This sold for $4.99. Very heavy. Replacement parts for a Weber grill. They sold for $31.99. Bear claw and feather earrings. They sold for $9.99. Elvis Presley small bag. It does have a strap if you wanted to add a strap. That sold for $9.99. 2 EAPG clear glass salt cellars. These sold for $12.99. A 1964 World's Fair Hawaiian recipe book. This sold for, well, actually this and this hibiscus flower bag. It's like a beach bag. Together they sold for $20.49. The total for Wednesday, June 9th, was $126.43. Thursday, June 10th, we sold Jennifer Adams pillowcases this morning for $18. I didn't get to film them. We sold this Keurig View filter adapter for $4.99. This is all on eBay. Stitch holding a guitar is Disney. This sold for $21.95. Bobblehead turtle for $6.99. A vintage Alabama tin ashtray for $9.75. And a Bambi Thumper and Flower figurine. This is Jim Shore Disney Traditions. This sold for $45. On Mercari, we sold a light up LED color changing faux crystal. That sold for $14. And a frog pond for in a fairy garden. This sold for $12. Total sales for Thursday was $132.68. Friday, June 11th, we sold the following items. On Mercari, we sold this Disney showcase Lilo and Stitch. This is Stitch holding a bouquet of roses. This sold for $25. On eBay, we sold these 2 miniature elephants. They sold for $7. And we sold this nude statue. I'm not going to open it. Studio Collection by Veronese. This sold for $20. We sold this Superman Hall of Heroes statue. This sold for $125. We sold 2 Aquamist toilet tissue sprays. They sold for $21. And we sold this Hoover Porta-Pack carrying bag for $28.99. The total for the week was $226.99. The total for the week was $1,136.83. That does not include the cost of goods or any fees. I thank you for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.